look it. Coming at 144 ton, 40 ton tier, 104 ton of logs. We'll make our way over there, and I'm assuming we're going to go to the airfield to drop it off. Go and have a look. Same thing again, as you come off here, you just go all off and then go wide as we come off here. Not taking anything out, just watch ourselves. There's another bridge on the other side that does the Tasman loads. Just making sure no one's coming off that. Ourselves around here. Yeah, pull that weight. Morning.
Can you give me a scale load at the airfield, please?
Yeah.
And can I take your dockets here now, please?
You can.
Thank you.
No worries.
Channel 1 is out there.
Okay.
Channel 3.
Channel 3, eh?
Yeah.
Okay. Goodbye.
Oh, what crew?
Web.
Oh, PPP.
Yeah.
Is it bark on?
Yeah, bark on.
Oh, okay. We'll go around there.
Yep,
Thank
cool
you.
as. Oh, can unchain.